The next station is Nippuri JK32. The doors on the right side will open. Please change it for the Joban line, the Keisei line, and the Nippuri Kodani line.
Morning from Tokyo. I got 2 hours of sleep, but we're gonna pretend like we're not dying of tiredness. I got a green tea. Guys, I'm in Asakusa, so people come to get blessed. Fortunately, I do not. I know the truth. Oh my god! It looks pretty. I'm shopping around in Maryjane right now, which is my store, and it's always the best in Japan because Maryjane is from Japan. You guys, they got a sword in here. They have a sword. It's Japanese English. Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's it. That's it. I'm done. You guys, I put these in the package. You guys need my Japanese favorite things box. It's now available on MaryJanesWorldTour.com. I put these in there. These things right here. If you guys didn't know, I now have all of my Japanese favorites in one little package for you guys. Now available on my website and on sale for Cyber Monday. You can get a box full of all of my Japanese favorites. My favorite Japanese mascara that I use every day now. All my favorite Japanese snacks, delicious, the best snacks you'll ever eat in your life. My favorite face washes from here in Japan, my favorite vitamin C serum, a brightening lotion. It's all available on my website, and it's now 50% off for Cyber Monday. And I'll ship it directly to you from here in Tokyo, and I'll link it down below. You guys definitely need to get it. Actually, I'm about to go to sleep because, so it's 5 p.m. right now. I'm not even at my hotel. I'm gonna tell you what's happening. The last 4 days, I've gotten about 4 hours of sleep. You can see it on my face. I'm about 3 hours away from my actual hotel. When I was walking, my body started to power down, and I started to get really dizzy, and my mind was saying, Maryjane, sleep, Maryjane, sleep, Maryjane, sleep, sleep, sleep. I've been running around Tokyo putting together these boxes for my website. Also, when I left Afghanistan, it was go, 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 go. I literally left Afghanistan, had 2 seconds in Dubai, had to pack my stuff, had to head to Qatar. I went to Qatar. When I got to Qatar, I flew from Qatar to Japan. When I arrived in Japan, I got literally 30 minutes of sleep, and I was out. I think I've gotten less than 4 hours of sleep in the last 4 days. My body started to literally power down on me, and I felt like I was going to... It's actually not even funny or a small deal. It's a big deal. And so something said to me, find a hotel immediately. This hotel was across the street. I booked it, and I'm gonna go to sleep here. Because honestly, I'm talking to you guys right now because of, like, I don't know, adrenaline, I guess. I don't know why I would have adrenaline, but when I tell you I feel like I'm about to die, I wasn't going to make it back to my hotel. I wasn't going to make it. Even if I got in a taxi, the taxi would have taken about an hour. On the train, it would have taken about 3 hours. I was like, no, I need to sleep now. So this hotel right here was about $40. And I said, it's worth it. I'm going to sleep here for about 5 hours. And then I'm going to go back to my actual hotel. Because I honestly feel like I'm going to die. And I travel solo to, like, I don't need to be playing with my health. I need to get sleep. So, I'm going to go to sleep. I got this little, it's not even a motel. It's just one of those hotels that are meant for, like, I don't know what it's, I don't know. I know I'm going to sleep for about 5 hours, and then I'm going to go to my actual hotel because I wasn't going to make it. I'm telling you, I wasn't going to make it to my hotel. So, but of course on the way, I picked up snacks. And I'm going to do a haul of all the things I got today and everything, but I honestly need to sleep. I need to go to sleep. You guys, look at these sushi stickers. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I need these. Oh my gosh. Little sushi stickers. I mean, my camera died, so I'm using my phone now. But, so this bag is now available on Maryjane's World Tour because I showed it on my Instagram story and so many people were saying, I want it. Can you put it on Maryjane'sWorldTour.com? So I put it on Maryjane's World Tour. This is what everyone is wearing, you guys, in Japan. It's all about the puffer look. And when I tell you, when I got this, I was in love. It's huge, by the way. It carries so much stuff. It carries my wallet, my passport, everything I carry is in here. I carry 2 or 3 cameras. It's got a giant front pocket, as you can see. There's a giant front pocket. And then this is really deep and big, and when I tell you it fits so much my wallet, my passport. I've got, really? I always carry a book. Right now I'm reading Screw Tape Letters. I always carry a book. I always have my journal, a journal on me. It carries my Instax. I always have my instant camera in here. It carries so much, and it's got a thick band, so it doesn't weigh you down. And when I tell you everyone in Japan is wearing these, this exact one, maybe not. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't, but it's this style, this giant puffer look. So how I wore it is, here's what I did. I wore this, I have this vest on, and I have this just zip up, just a regular zip up jumper, and then I paired this vest and buttoned it up because part of the day in Japan here is really cold, but then I don't get warm, so I like the vest because I can take it on or off. And then the puffer, and then I have black sweats on. Yeah, in Japan they're doing like solid colored looks, like this, like all black. Don't test me with all black. I love an all black look. And like this puffer handbag. So I picked this puffer handbag up at a store right next to my hotel, and they're now available on my website. If you guys want one, I can get it and ship it directly to you from here in Tokyo. Keep in mind, I gotta put the shipping cost in. The shipping cost is added in the price. It does cost me $45 to ship to the US, so just know that the price is added to that. But I think this is so cute, and I'm obsessed. Like, when I tell you, I'm going to be wearing this every single day, and I think it's so cute. And so yeah, it's available on my website if you guys want to go get it. This is how kind of everybody is dressed in Japan at the moment. It's all the puffer bag with the puffer coat. And you can find a vest anywhere. This is just your run-of-the-mill regular puffer vest, and the monochromatic bag. Boom, I love it. It's everything.